Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. So I need more dishwashing detergent for my dishwasher, and I thought I would make a video of how I make my low toxic dishwasher detergent. This is something that really works for me. I used to buy the expensive Cascade Platinum stuff. It worked, and then I just got tired of paying so much money for it. So I found this recipe. I've been using it for over a month, and it works really, really well. And it's so much cheaper. So I thought I'd go over the ingredients, show you how I make it, and show you how simple and easy it is. So the first thing that you're gonna need is washing soda, baking soda, citric acid. I keep mine in a container. It doesn't matter which kind you use, but you will need salt. I got the natural sea salt. You can get iodized salt. It really doesn't matter what salt you have. So I already mixed pre-poured everything, so this would be a fairly quick video. It's basically 2 parts sodas, so 2 parts washing soda, 2 parts baking soda, and 1 part salt and 1 part citric acid. The first time I made it, I did 1 cup, 1 cup, half cup, half cup. This time I'm doing 2 cup, 2 cup, 1 cup, 1 cup. If that makes any sense. I'll have the recipe in the description, so just take a container. And so the baking soda and washing soda, that's 2 cups of baking soda, 2 cups of washing soda, 1 cup of citric acid, and 1 cup of iodized or regular natural sea salt. And I just pour it in. All I do is take a whisk, and I just get out the lumps like that. Now, the other things that I like to use is essential oil. It just gives it an extra boost of cleanliness. Last time I used lemon, but this time I'm using grapefruit. It gives it a nice smell. So I add about 20 drops, 30, 18, 19, 20-ish. You don't have to be picky with that. And I just whisk that in. You do not have to do this, but I'm using the Thieves cleaner. I just do a half cap. Nothing more, nothing less. The first batch that I made lasted over a month, so I doubled it. So this should last 2 months. And I actually reuse this container, and I have this little 1/4 cup measurement, and I just scoop each time. So all I do is I use a 1/4 cup, and I just get a level scoop, pour it in the dishwasher detergent, and I actually use white vinegar as my pre-wash. It works really well for me. It also keeps my dishwasher running really well. I haven't had any issues. It actually cleans just as good as Brother Bear over there. I hope this was helpful. This is just something that works for me. This is probably not universal for dishwashers or universal for everybody, but this is something that I find that really works really, really well. It keeps the dishes clean. It's low tox, most of the ingredients you can eat. So hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you later.